Hello everybody, how's it going? You doing well? You doing good? Good. Back with another colouring video today, and we're doing a page from, actually the first page I've done in this brand new book, page from Little Spooky by Coco Wyo. So yeah, let's get into it. Pretty sick, that ain't it? Yeah, I like this. Did. Don't know why. I was flicking through the book, I saw it and I thought, yeah, let's make it Squid Games. I did have a little trouble sort of whiting out the... Sorry, 1 second. Jonesy wants to say hello. There she is. Say hello, Jonesy. She doesn't like it when I'm not giving her attention. This is actually her on top. I designed that a bit ago. I like junkie. Yeah, so I had a little trouble whiting out the designs on the t-shirts and things. I used acrylic white pen, and I thought that alcohol marker would easily cover it up. Turns out that isn't the case, so little tip for you in future. It took me many layers to actually try and get it to cover up, and it's kind of covered it up, but you can still see it. But oh well, you live and you learn, don't you? Okay, that's another one done. I've got some other ideas for maybe different movie themes for other pages, so make sure you stick around, check them out. I will also have a colour along video of this one going up in the next few days, which is the videos of the full post, probably like 40 minutes, an hour long. I know some people prefer to have them to watch rather than the time-lapsing. Anyway, I'm rambling. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hopefully see you in the next one. See you in a bit.